Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thanks for joining me. It is the weekend, it's Saturday, it's nice outside, and I'm in here making a video for you. But I will be going outside after. So anyways, guys, like the video title says, we're going to talk a little bit about Costco today. I don't know if you guys have a membership or even if you know what Costco is. It's just a wholesale warehouse, similar to like a Sam's Club. So it's basically a super giant. And I want to talk about the stock because it's pretty much a growth stock. It does have a slight dividend, but I want to talk about my thoughts on it and actually kind of recommendations. So let's get into it. Before we start though, remember I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on the internet having fun. So take everything I say with a grain of salt. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like video, all that fun stuff. Really helps me out, helps the channel out, trying to grow, and really just try to form a community here for you guys. So I would really appreciate any help you could offer, and let's get into it. So, Costco, right? So Jim Cramer from Mad Money says to buy Costco stock after its absurd post-earnings decline, right? So I don't know if you guys do this. I actually follow the Costco stocks simply because my girlfriend is a Costco-aholic. She loves Costco. It's ridiculous. She actually gets excited when we go to Costco. It's like taking a kid to like Chuck E. Cheese, except for her, the Chuck E. Cheese is Costco. And she looks for new Costcos whenever we go to new cities, which is also a really weird thing. But anyways, Jim Cramer from CNBC recommends that investors take advantage of Costco. And I actually kind of agree on here, guys. So last Friday, or during Friday, the stock fell 1.27% here, and it closed at $3.42, or $342.58 per share, even after they beat their expectations. Right, and it's funny because I've been monitoring Costco for like 2 years. I keep promising my girl that, like, oh yeah, I'll buy it because, it's important to her. I don't know. I haven't bought into it yet. But one thing I do notice is that they do really well. The pattern I see is all year it'll climb, and then November will come, and then it'll take like a little mini dip, and then it's right back, and it climbs through the rest of the holiday season, and then it just keeps going up till next November. And there's kind of this pattern that you can see. But I mean, over the last 5 years, they've grown 140% in their stock. So to me, it's a good value. Costco members are loyal to the brand. I would say the brand loyalty is borderline Apple brand loyalty or like Tesla brand loyalty, to where it's almost like taboo to like shop anywhere else, if that makes sense. I'll tell you a story. I got a Sam's Club membership, and my girlfriend was actually a little upset. Like, you know how you can tell when someone's upset? She was just like, okay. Like, when I told her, I was really excited, She's like, okay. So she's like, why didn't you get Costco? And in my head, I'm just like, you have a Costco membership. Whenever we need to go to Costco, you have a membership. We don't both need a membership when we can just go together. So that was like my reasoning. But she actually got upset, because she's that down for Costco. It's insane. And this is like a members thing. This is like not just her. This is the brand loyalty that I look for with brands, because brand loyalty means that people will stick around. They'll keep paying the prices. They'll pay those membership fees, and that's gonna make money. Some of the things that the shorts were saying about Costco, which I think are a little absurd as well, is that them paying for employee raises and sanitation during the pandemic are dumb things to do, which I think is just ridiculous, you guys. One thing I really do like about Costco is they actually do pay their employees quite well. It kind of reminds me of like In-N-Out Burger, right? Like, you would think, oh, they're doing entry-level stuff, but they work hard. You want to make your employees work hard because they're going to work harder for you. Or you're going to want to reward them for their hard work because they're going to work harder for you. And when they work harder and they're happy, they work harder for you, and that makes your customers happy. It all rolls downhill, you guys. So, this stuff has never affected Costco in the long run. Like I said, they're up 140% in the last 5 years. To me, it's nitpicking. Here's a little bit more about it. They gave a $2 raise to people during COVID-19, which is cool, man. You want to take care of your employees, right? You want to invest in companies that are money conscious, which is okay, but also you want to make sure that they are a good company. If they can give a raise, they're doing okay. You know what I mean? So, and they still came up on their earnings. So it's not like it hurt them. As an investor, I see this as a future investment in your employees, right? They're going to want to work for you. There's no attrition. People aren't going to leave a job that's giving them raises during COVID-19. You're not going to be short-staffed. It's not going to hurt your bottom line. You have to do stuff like this to make sure you don't lose the people you already have, because training new people costs money, and having new people make new people mistakes costs a lot of money. So these are things that you want to look for in companies, right? Do they treat their employees like crap? Because if they do, nobody's going to want to work for them. And if they're short-staffed, that's going to hurt your bottom line. So something to think about. One thing I did see too, you guys, and I was reading through articles and I saw this. This is actually really exciting. There's speculation that there may be a special dividend coming. Now, Costco's dividend right now, I think the yield is 0.7%. It's like less than 1%. But I don't know if you're familiar with special dividend. It's a one-time dividend, and usually they're quite high in comparison to the standard dividend. So if this is going to give a $10 a share dividend, that's exciting, because you got to think, what is it? The Costco right now is at $3.42-ish with some change. So 10% of that, right? $3 or $10 a share. The normal 10% of your value here is going to be roughly that. So, I mean, that right there is that's a 3.42% instant boost per share that you get, just because they're like, here's a special dividend. And let's say you had 1,000 of these. You just made 10 racks, if they do this, of course. This is all speculation, but this is something to be excited about, something to keep in mind if you are looking to invest in Costco. So just some things that I thought I wanted to bring to the table for you guys today. Check it out, see if it's for you. If you're trying to diversify, Costco is a great way to do it. They're consumer goods. So there's consumer goods company. So you want to put that in your portfolio along with tech giants, along with medical, real estate, financial, business, etc. You do want to spread it out. So this is a good play. They're a good company, and they make profits. So anyways, guys, that's the video. I'm going to try to get some more out for you guys pretty soon. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. And like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications. Check out my Robinhood link in the description. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything in the comments. Take care, have a good one, and peace.